we are going to be making a fantasy map. So while the trend might use rice, you could pick any object that is in the room and dump a whole bunch of it onto your paper. You're going to be using a thin black marker to outline around your shapes. If one is all by itself, you can make it an island, but other than that, you should try to go around your shapes and not outline them individually, but around the larger blob. Once you go all the way around your shapes, if there are any spaces in the middle, you could outline around them to create things like lakes. Make sure you got everything on your paper. After you've outlined everything, you are going to remove your objects. In this case, I used paper clips, but other things that you can use include rice, beans, cotton balls, really anything that you found a lot of. I'm adding a compass rose, so I'm tracing a circle, and I will be drawing a horizontal line and a vertical line to split up my circle into quarters, and then labeling it north, south, east, and west. Often compass roses include arrows or points in them, and you could add extra detail inside of your compass rose. I'm going to be using brown watercolors to create an aged look to my fantasy map, but I'm only going to be coloring brown inside of my landmass. I want there to be a distinction between my land and my water, and coloring this brown inside my landmass will help make them look different from each other. This can also help you if you want to use the areas of darker paint maybe as an area where next time you'll add some mountains, or where you'll add a desert for a very light area. You can use the amount of saturation of color to help inspire you to what might be on that part of the map. If you ever don't have watercolors, you could also use things like tea or coffee to help get this brown stained effect. Stand by for part 2 to find out how to add all of your details and map icons.